Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Part Question 6. So you have a figure here which is labeled figure 2, and it shows change in demand for a commodity X, which is a normal good. Now the question we have to use it to answer is, which of the following caused the change in demand from D1 to D2. A. Fall in the income of consumers. B. Rise in the price of a substitute. C. Rise in the price of a complement. D. Fall in the supply of commodity X. Now, this diagram represents or depicts what is known as a rightward shift in demand. A rightward shift in demand. And this is an increase. This depicts an increase in demand at a constant price. So the price remains constant, but the demand for that particular product or commodity increase. So we are asked what could be the cause of such change, such increase in demand. Now in this case, the increase in demand is brought about by a favorable change in factors affecting demand aside the price of the commodity. An example of some of these factors could include, let's say, this favorable change in factors could include increase in the income of consumers or increase in price of a substitute. Now, increase in income of consumers will increase the demand for this commodity because the consumers now have the purchasing power irrespective of the price. Like I said, the diagram represents this change in demand at constant price. So the price has not changed, okay? So the price hasn't changed, but because the income of the consumer has increased, they can now purchase this product. So the demand for it will increase. And now another favorable factor we saw is the increase in price of a substitute. Now when the price of a substitute increases, a substitute commodity increases, the consumers will go for the cheaper product. Okay, they will go for the cheaper product irrespective of the fact that the price of that product hasn't changed. But because the price of the substitute has increased, they will go for a cheaper commodity or a cheaper product that can still perform that same function that they want. So this also causes the demand curve, a rightward shift in the demand. Now, as we have established here, increase in price of a substitute is one of the factors that can cause a change in demand from D1 to D2 as shown in this diagram. So rise or increase in price of a substitute is option B, and option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.